Hey gang! Oh yes, I was looking at my new nails. Ooh! That's Raven from Gel Perfection, and that's my odd thumb, and that's a big bit of fluff. And this is Alaska, so I'm going to do 2 coats of that, and I'm doing another nail here with 2 coats of Blackout, and obviously curing those coats. I'm using the neon pigments from Gel Perfection. I'm wiping the nails now and giving them a buff, just a light buff with a squishy file, because we want the pigments to only stick to the next step, which is taking Alaska again and just doing some leopard print. I'm starting off with some sort of C shapes or U shapes, making sure they're not neat, they're a bit sort of wibbly wobbly. That same down drunk baby has been painting these, I think, and so scattering those sort of all about the place, and then doing some circles, some not neat circles, try and make it look organic. And I would be careful, maybe do the dots, these circles, sorry, as the last step, because the inside of the circle will sort of close up if you do it too thick, where the gel will just sort of merge into itself. So then I'm just adding some dots and some splodgy shapes. Wow, the adjectives are on point today. Some more dots and more splodgy shapes. And then that will have a half cure. I'm quite liking the black and white leopard print, but that's not what you're here for. You're here for neon and bright and funky. So that had a half cure. I'm now tapping on the pigments. I do have an applicator assigned to each colour, but I didn't use them. They were right next to me. I just used the same one and was just wiping it on the paper in between, just making a mess, really. So now I'm doing the orange. I'm popping the colour on and then tapping it a bit further down in random spots, so that it kind of goes in phases, as opposed to like a block straight line. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. Really winning with the description today, aren't I? The blue here, and then I think I managed to squeeze on some purple. It was quite dark once I brushed it off against the black, but you can see it in the flesh. So this is on the white one. I didn't film doing the white leopard print because I did it in white, so it didn't really show up very well. I obviously couldn't see what I was doing very well either, because this didn't come out very well. It is in fact in the bin. The circles I did were too thick, too small, and like I said a minute ago, they had all just closed up and were just big old blobs. Somehow the background has got even worse, even messier. Dusting that off to reveal the pattern. You can see it more. I think I show it against my hand where you can see it more. So just dusting it off. I'll do that to both of them. You'll see that the white wasn't great, and I must have got a bit of gel smudged on there, because there's a bit that shouldn't be there, which just added to the list of reasons to throw it in the bin. So then they will now have a top coat. The background, I'm clearly not one for perfect lighting and neat backgrounds with some fairy light shit going on everywhere. Like, this is the reality. It gets a mess. I could have kept refreshing it, but you know, I'm not made of paper. Paper doesn't grow on trees. So that's having a top coat. And oh, there you go. So you can see that the colours are more obvious when it's not against a white background. So that is them. The white one's gone. Bye bye. And nice, quick and easy one. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for lots more videos and give me a thumbs up. And as you can see, like I say, it's a messy, this is the reality, it's messy, but it's fun. So I hope you have fun if you do it. I've got some mermaidy plans for the next lot, so keep your eyes peeled for those, and I will see you then. Wave goodbye already. Bye-bye.